Home Remedies presents Cover your hair with aluminium foil after shampoo. This trick will surprise you. Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon and good evening to all my viewers. Hope you all are in good health. I'm Rabia and in today's video I will share with you an amazing trick and super protein treatment remedy to make hair silky, smooth and shiny. So I recommend to watch the video till the end to get full information, and without any more wait, let's start. You must have heard about the protein hair treatment, but today I will show you what is that and how to make it. You can also call it as the breakfast and lunch for your hair, because as you feed protein in your body through food to keep it healthy. Likewise, if we feed our hair with proper protein, then most of our hair problems will be solved. You can get rid of thin, dry, dull, split ends, falling hair, frizzy hair, etc., which mostly result from using hard water. A similar treatment is given to you at the salons as well. I will tell you a simple and easy and less time-consuming treatment from easy ingredients to perform this treatment at home effectively and less costly. You will be needing the following natural ingredients. 1 egg yolk. If your hair are long, then use 2 egg yolks. If your hair are oily, then you can use the white as well. 2 tablespoons coconut oil. Third ingredient you can use as per your convenience. Shea butter, honey or mayonnaise. I am using mayonnaise in my recipe. 1 tablespoon mayonnaise. Method of preparation. Put all the ingredients and mix thoroughly to get a homogeneous mixture. Your protein hair mask is ready. How to apply? Application is quite easy as well. After shampooing your hair, you have to apply it on wet hair from roots till end. Now here's the trick. Massage your scalp gently for 2 to 3 minutes and then cover it with aluminium foil. Leave it for 30 minutes and wash with shampoo at the end. You will notice that your hair have an amazing shine, look healthy and dandruff free. Use it at least once a week. Everyone can use it. The aluminium foil improves the absorption of your hair and scalp, helping the ingredients to work at its best. So guys, try out this remedy and enjoy the amazing moisturizing benefits of it. If you liked the video and found it informative and helpful, click the like button and subscribe to my channel for new videos daily. Don't forget to press the bell icon to be notified whenever I publish a new video. Share on your social networks to help others benefit from it too. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.